In an unprecedented automotive takeover, the dynamic duo of daily-driven exotics, DDE, descended upon the iconic Hoonigan headquarters, unleashing a whirlwind of excitement and adrenaline-fueled madness. As the engines roared and tires smoked, the stage was set for an epic showdown of horsepower and performance. The saga began with whispers of a collaboration unlike any other, sparking rumors of what enthusiasts could only dream of. When DDE rolled onto the scene, anticipation reached a fever pitch, and fans held their breath in anticipation of the unveiling that would redefine automotive entertainment. Against the backdrop of the legendary Hoonigan compound, the air crackled with energy as cameras rolled and engines revved. Spectators from around the globe tuned in, eager to witness the clash of automotive titans. As the dust settled, the full story emerged, revealing the behind-the-scenes intricacies of this groundbreaking collaboration. From the meticulous planning to the adrenaline-fueled execution, every moment was captured in stunning detail. But the madness didn't stop there. From high-speed drifts to gravity-defying stunts, DDE and Hoonigan pushed the limits of what was thought possible, leaving audiences on the edge of their seats and craving more. Yet amidst the chaos and exhilaration, a deeper narrative unfolded, one of passion, creativity, and the relentless pursuit of automotive perfection. Behind the flashy exteriors and roaring engines lay a shared commitment to pushing boundaries and inspiring the next generation of enthusiasts. As the sun set on this epic collaboration, the echoes of engines and the cheers of fans lingered in the air, a testament to the enduring impact of DDE's takeover of Hoonigan. And as enthusiasts around the world relived the unforgettable moments, one thing became clear: this was more than just a takeover. It was a celebration of automotive passion in its purest form.